My name is Lawrence Gidatuin, and I'm investigating the incident that occurred at Spama's interrogation room. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me. And my goal is to get the most accurate account possible of what you saw. Please take your time and don't feel pressure to guess if you don't know an answer. It's perfectly okay to say so. I'd like you to start from the beginning. In your words, please tell me everything you remember about what happened, from the moment you arrived until the incident ended.
I arrived at the Gen Ed building at Spamas around 7 in the evening to do my usual cleaning. While I was sweeping near one of the hallways, I noticed a man and a female student walking together. At first, nothing seemed unusual, but I remember the girl looked uncomfortable and the man kept looking around. I ignored it at the time because I thought maybe they just had a personal matter. After a few minutes, I moved to another area to continue cleaning.
What did you see?
I first saw them around 7:15 p.m. The sounds came a few minutes after they entered the room.
Where exactly were you standing? And how far away was the subject?
I was standing in the hallway near the classrooms, around 5 to 7 meters away from where I first saw them.
Thank you for your help. If you remember anything else later, or if your contact information changes, let me know. Today, we are demonstrating the moistened swab technique used to recover dried stains from non-porous surface while maintaining a strict chain of custody. Syringe may be utilized for controlled irrigation. We use a sterilized dropper to apply the saline. Surgical scissors are used to physically excise the stained area. Forceps are used for drying, lifting, or handling small fragments of stained material. Our primary reagent today is a saline solution with a 400 Baker. We use saline because it rehydrates the dried biological material without lysing the cells, ensuring the DNA remains intact for subsequent laboratory analysis. We have swab test kit containing of sample will serve as the transport medium for the evidence.
We are examining evidence from a suspected crime scene. We have a fiber cloth inside this sealed evidence bag. We are looking for biological evidence, specifically semen, to identify the presence. We are carefully opens the bag using a forceps and surgical scissor. They lift the cloth, then put in the beaker 50 ml with saline solution. We wait 30 minutes. To see the individual cells, I need to transfer the sample to a glass slide. Then use a sterile dropper with a drop of saline to lift the dried fluid from the fiber. Now we place the slide under the microscope. We start with a low power to find the right area, then move to high power. I have to see a positive match. I can clearly see sperm cells on this slide. Then we next step is to extract the DNA from these cells. We compare that DNA to the suspect profile to see if they match. This evidence is crucial for proving what happened. Analysis complete. Evidence is ready for the DNA lab.